What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a aloe vera deep conditioner, and then I'm going to be applying it to my hair and showing you guys how I use it and what is it good for and how it works. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be going through the process of how I make this aloe vera deep conditioner, so just watch. Okay, so the first thing that I always do is soak the aloe vera in some water just to remove all the yellow liquid that comes out like when it's freshly cut. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and slice and remove the aloe, peeling the skin. I'm just cutting the edges off and then removing the skin. Be very careful during this part because you don't want to cut your hands. The aloe is very slippery, so be very careful. Aloe vera contains enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Aloe vera has been used for treating hair loss for years, a very long time. It also unblocks hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. After the aloe is all chopped, I go ahead and blend it, and then I'm going to be straining it just to make sure that there are no clumps. As you can see, I'm going to be using one of my favorite conditioners. This is the Husk Argan Oil by Morocco. It's free of paraben, sulfate. It's awesome. So I'm just mixing it in with the aloe vera, and you'll get a consistency like so. Okay, now I'm going to be applying it to my hair. My hair is not washed, my hair is not clean at all, but I just took it out from my protective style. If you guys didn't see my last protective style, which were crochet passion twists, some short ones, they were really cute. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. I bought the hair from Amazon and I really like the hair. I actually took them out and saved them. I'm going to be washing them, and probably later on, you know, probably next year, sometime next year, I'll reuse them because they're still in good condition. But, you know, I had the styling for 4 weeks and I pretty much had enough. I'm ready for a new look. So I'm just going through and unraveling my hair so that I could go ahead and apply this aloe vera hair conditioner.
soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
And I'm gonna wrap it up in a plastic bag and leave it for like 30 minutes and then rinse it out.
I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Okay, final step. So after I rinse the aloe vera deep treatment out of my hair, I am going to go ahead and shampoo my hair using one of my favorites, Shampoo. And then I'm going to be repeating this step by shampooing my hair again. And then I'm going to rinse it, braid it down. And the last thing I'm going to be adding in my hair, you'll see, is one of my favorite rinsing vinegar. And I'll tell you guys where I purchase it from. that's pretty much it. My hair looks and feels amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.